Hey, got M.2ssd in the house. We've got Savage, E-Revo, this contraption. It's an FTX Carnage, X-Maxx, another X-Maxx. Look, check this out. The E-Revo could actually do a bunny hop. Look, it leaves the floor. Wonder if we can bunny hop up the curb. Yes! Oh! Oh no, he's got wings! Oh, bunny hopped on top! Oh, carnage! What's happening? What's happening? Oh my god! Oh my god, gone! Nail it! Standing backflip. Hey, we got Craig YouTubing. Check out his YouTube. He's enjoyed his new skateboard.
There's two down, we're inside. We're just getting good.
Oh! Oh, I broke it! Oh no! Look, both sides. Oh, look, both sides are gone. Oh, well, that's it. It's getting it. It's getting it. Oh, where did it go? Oh, it's there. Oh! Self right button. If it weren't for these stupid links on the back, this would be a really good truck. That really lets it down, that does. Oh, I'll see if we can fix it. Man, that's what lets this thing down, these stupid links on the back. Oh, Savage is getting it. X-Maxx is getting it. Oh. Hey. Oh, look, he's sporting new tyres. Got the old Badland MX on there. Nail it. Oh, she loves it. Oh no, my battery's out as well. That's not supposed to happen, is it? Game over. Ah, stupid Revo. But we got spares, look. We got all the parts to fix it. Craig getting the footage. That's what Steve should be doing. Steve, when are you going to upload some videos? He's been taking note of Kev's RC bash of school. He can jump it now. One side is a normal thread, the other side's not even nothing there, it just goes round in circles, look. Is that going on?
That one's going on.
And now on the other end, left hand thread, it won't go on. Stephen, finish it. These rear links, they're such a letdown. I mean, it's such a cool truck, but these just let it down. It just takes the fun out of it, and it kind of ruined my day. I had some spares on me. This end went on, this is a normal thread. This side here would not go on. Like, we all tried. I had to go, Ian had to go, M.2ssd had to go, it will not go on. I know it's supposed to be a left-hand thread on there, but it just won't go. It will not go on. And by the looks of it, I don't know how the hell this happened. It's not even a thread. They're just loads of rings. They're not going anywhere. So this here is supposed to be the left-hand thread. Now look, if I put my fingernail, one of these ridges, and just try and get to focus, and just turn it, it's not actually going anywhere. They're just circles. I've got 2 packs of these guys, and none of them, the ends go on. They go on this end. This is a normal size thread. This end, they just will not go on. Anyway, I've ordered some of the 70-75 alloy ones. They're supposed to be for the version 1 Revo, but they will fit on this one. I'm going to give them a go, see if they're any stronger. Hopefully, RPM are going to come out with the Eliminator set. They do one for the version 1, but it won't fit this one because the rear wheel bearings are a lot bigger. So hopefully they're going to come out with something. Maya's got her RC car out. How long is it going to... Oh, it's brushless. That's not going to last. Oh! You're supposed to let off the power when you land. Something's dangling off the bottom. Oh! What's the receiver hanging out? I know the fan. Alright, so we've got Craig's X-Maxx running on A-Test LiPo, the standard A-Test motor. What are you running gearing wise? 50. See how fast it can go. Oh, cheers mate. Nah, it's not even 50, I reckon 45. What do you reckon?
39.
What do you reckon?
I don't know, maybe 50.
I reckon 45 maximum. They always look faster than what they are. Whoa, watch out Stephen. I reckon 45 maximum. Hey, look at that, wow. 45, bang on. Hey, we got Ian's X-Maxx in the house. Oh, getting aired out, nice. Oh, check this out, the HBI, what's it called?
Super 5SC.
Super 5SC, look at the size of it. That makes an X-Maxx look small.
Jeez.
Oh! What's that?
Yeah. I've got permission to let it have it.
Oh no! Wife said he can let it have it. Oh no! Oh! It oh! My God, that went up! Jesus! I nearly missed it. I got it. I did get it. That went to the moon. X-Maxx loves it. Why can't I make the E-Revo this strong?
I need to make the body shell stronger.
Yeah, body shell's a big fab. Uh-oh. Boss said no more airing it out.
Oh. What we'll do is we'll sneak out to play when the boss isn't around one day.
Not quite as high.
Oh, shock's gone.
Oh, shock's off again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Got the old Arnza hinge pin braces in there, the RPM arms. These, are they extra speed?
Yeah.
Mitchell.
Oh, tape me on.
Tape them on.
Parenting skills.
By the way, just for the record, has Dad got consent?
He'll be alright, he don't bite. I didn't actually break, so just get it clean.
What happened?
Oh, yeah, breaking loose from. It's okay, look, it's setting on fire.
What happened, Stephen?
Oh, the tape broke. It's over.
What's happening?
Look at the mistake in there.
Put your tongue on it. Oh no, don't. Oh. Did that taste of fast dirt? No. Oh, we got the HBI SC in the house. Oh, GoPro's off.
I can probably backflip my one.
Nailed it. It sounds brilliant when it lands. Oh! Oh!
That's a break.
Oh, broke it! Broke it! Oh, look at the body! Look what has happened on mine.
Oh!
They don't like being out.
Why do RC manufacturers put these crappy links on the rear? But it's the hub, so you can swap that side by that side and you put a new rear. It's just like an extended Savage, isn't it?
Yes.
I mean, all they've done, they've extended that. You've got all of the. They're, I mean, they're the flux battery carriers. So you've just got all of this, literally, just to build out the sides.
Yeah, I want one. Did I get underneath? No. Do it again. What? Ow! Doesn't look like it should fit. Oh my god! Oh, you can do burnout on there, do burnout. X-Maxx burnout. Oh, that went out. Oh, on its head again. Oh, you've broken it again.
They've worn down so much that I can't actually get it through.
Oops. Only this man can damage a Russian indestructible body shell. Look, it's got holes in it. Alright, just push these ball links back on. How long is it going to last? He ain't old enough to smoke, is he?
I do watch your videos though.
Mum, if you're watching, he's smoking. Oh! Nice. Oh, camera's off. Oh, what? Broke it. Pinion came off. Game over. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. If you're going to get one of these, make sure you can fix these somehow. See you soon, bye.